Hello everyone. Today we have a rainy and windy day in Adelaide, and I want to show you what my little wind turbine is doing and how I take advantage of the excess power. So the wind goes anywhere from 25 to 40 kilometers a day, and as you can see on this watt meter, the turbine puts out anywhere from 0 to 350, 400 watt. It's a small Chinese 500 watt wind turbine, 12 volt. So at the moment we are where? Under 100, so it depends on the wind speed. I had earlier seen up to 370 watt, so 27 amps. The problem is, if you do have the battery bank, how do you control the excess power? And what I've done is I'm using GTI inverter. That's a 300 watt. It actually starts to put some power back to the grid when the voltage exceeds the 14 volt. And I have another one here. This little fella operates from 10-11 volts up to 25-27 or so. So I have here, this is the power that goes back to the grid. So this one goes up to 60, 70, 80, 90 watt. The smaller one is steady on 10 watt. So the whole story is, every time my battery voltage exceeds the 14 volts, you see now we're dropping 13.8, 13.9, so that means that the wattage output of the GTI inverter is dropping, it's going down. So that's where it's usually staying, around the 4 watt mark. As soon the wind though starts to pick up and my battery voltage exceeds the 14 volt point, 13.8, yeah, as you can see the wind is dying out. So 2 watt, 4 watt, 6, 10. Now it starts to pick up again. You see 14. So as soon that goes to 14, my GTI inverter kicks in and starts to suck power. So that drops the voltage down again under 14. And to be honest with you guys, I never used any heating elements or anything else to control my wind turbine. So that's 14.2 volt, and as you can see now 20, yeah, it's dropping again. And I have here a small stacker solar controller which actually controls 2 little solar panels. And as you can see, if the voltage of my batteries exceeds a point, let's say 14.4, it drops down to 0 amps. So yeah, this controller is off at the moment. It's too overcast, so it doesn't get any power out from the panels to start. And this one actually is on. I don't think though it's gonna charge anything. So yeah, that's roughly how the system is working. Sooner or later I have to put all my batteries in order here. As you can see, it's a little bit messy around here. That's another stack of batteries over there. And Yeah, so far the system is keeping my batteries topped up, and every time I have a lot of wind, the excess power goes to the grid tie inverter, and this little fella feeds back power to the grid. And if we do have a power outlet we can use actually this fella here, which actually takes power from the batteries and gives some power back to the house. Yeah, as you can see, the wind is picking up again, so 65, 70. Sorry for the upside down picture. Yeah, that should be better. 70. Yeah, it's dropping down again. So this is an easy way actually to control the overcharge of your batteries without having to have a like a element heater or something, diversion control or whatever you want to call it. And the voltage stays pretty much around 14 volts constantly. Alright, see ya.